Eduardo Rodriguez gets pitching advice from Pedro, has become close friends with his childhood hero, and is now one of the best young pitchers in the American League. And all of it sort of happened by accident.
And I get on my elbow, so my hand went to here and my elbow went out like that.
On a rainy day years before Rodriguez had a family or a World Series trophy, he slipped and broke his arm and was in a cast for a year and a half.
And then when I went to the doctor, he take the cast out. He said, you can't throw anymore with your right. That's why I switched to be a lefty, and now look at what I am.
You see, the Red Sox lefty isn't actually left-handed.
Things happen for a reason. God had plans for everybody.
Rodriguez believes God's plan also led him to his Venezuelan role model, Johan Santana, who wore number 57 and has influenced more than Rodriguez's uniform number.
I'm learning a lot about with him and how to throw the changeup, and that's the best pitch I have, so got to send thanks to him for that pitch too.
When he isn't studying with Santana, Rodriguez is often talking pitching with Pedro, learning the importance of painting corners and changing speeds from one of the best ever to do it.
I had the opportunity to sit next to him, and he tell me all the time, hey, do this, do that.
I would imagine when Pedro Martinez tells you to do something, you do it.
I do it all the time. He say, throw this pitch against this guy, I throw it.
For Eduardo Rodriguez, life is pretty good, even if it did all sort of happen by accident.
Had the opportunity to win the World Series last year. I mean, it's like a real dream come true, especially had the opportunity to have these two guys, Pedro Martinez and Johan Santana, guys that I can call and talk to them every time. Like I say, it's a dream come true.